Welcome, here I've got DOOGEE S70 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here we have to slide simply to the left, so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the bottom and pick camera settings. Here we can find the save location option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right, we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, we have to tap to the left button that follows us straight to the gallery. Now, let's tap to the right corner button and pick the details. Here at the first position we can check our location with full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.